Criteria for selecting an attorney. 1. Interview several attorneys. 2. Ensure the attorney has enough years in practice, i.e., experience. 3. Select an attorney with whom you can work with, who instills trust and confidence. 4. Ensure the attorney has enough support staff. 5. Ensure the attorney concentrates in one or two areas of the law. A jack of all trades is a master of none. And lastly, select an attorney you can afford, i.e., his or her retainer and his or her hourly rate. Retainer agreement with your attorney. The retainer agreement is the contract between you and the attorney you retained. Normally, an attorney will ask you to put up a lump sum amount of money called a retainer before the attorney will start working on your case. The attorney will bill against the money you paid as a retainer. Attorney rates can range widely, as well as paralegal rates can range widely. Once the retainer money is used up, the attorney will ask for the retainer money to be either replenished or 2, expect the billed hours to be paid within 30 days of the accrued billing, or 3, accept monthly payments on the accruing outstanding bill. Identifying the goals. You and your attorney, after reviewing the facts, need to come up with a mutually agreed upon realistic goals in your divorce case. The identified realistic goals will help you stay focused and avoid emotional thinking. Working with your attorney. First, ask for a clear strategy to achieve the identified realistic goals. 2, ask for a clear roadmap. 3, ask for a clear list of homework or taskers and due dates. And last, ask for a rough estimate of fees through the different phases of the divorce proceedings. Keeping your attorney's fees down. The more you know about the divorce process and substantive issues, the better you can do the following. You can ask better questions of your attorney and his or her staff. You can better be prepared for your meetings with your attorney and his or her staff. You can better assist your attorney and his or her staff. The more efficient you are with your attorney, the more you can keep your attorney's fees down. Get educated on the divorce process and substantive issues as quickly as possible. Read up, listen and re-listen to the Untying the Knot videos. Assisting your attorney. Work with your attorney and his or her staff to work up your case and prepare your pleadings and responses to the court. The more you work up, the more you do, the less it will cost you. For example, financial information. Provide pay stubs, tax returns, credit card debt. Regarding property information, for example, obtain outstanding mortgage balance, blue books on the cars. For example, regarding supporting declarations. Obtain third-party declarations in the format your attorney wants. Assist your attorney to present information to the family law judge that he or she needs to rule in your favor. Basically, help your attorney to make it easy for the family law judge to rule in your favor. Your attorney is not your therapist. Don't use your attorney as your therapist. The attorney charges and bills his or her time at a much higher rate than normally therapists do. So use your time with your attorney on legal matters, not personal psychological support issues. If you need emotional support, enroll in a support group. If you need some psychological counseling, obtain this counseling through a mental health professional. The takeaways. First, interview several attorneys. 2, select a seasoned attorney who concentrates in family law, who is reasonably priced, and who instills trust and confidence in you. 3, review the retainer agreement with the attorney or his or her staff. 4, obtain a clear roadmap from the attorney. And 5, ask for clear taskers and due dates. Was this video helpful for you? Please let us know by liking this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions for topics, leave us a comment.
We also offer a variety of resources such as attorney referrals and legal checklists over at our website, utkdivorce.com. And last, subscribe. We provide new videos every week that you don't want to miss, and your subscription shows us your support. See you next time.